Hi, welcome to this tutorial on setting up the Soroban Python SDK on Windows. In this video, we'll go through how to install Python, install the Soroban Python SDK, verify that the SDK installed correctly. So let's get started. First, we need to install Python. We will installing Python from Microsoft Store. As you can see, Python is now installed and we can move on to installing the Soroban Python SDK. The Soroban Python SDK is a fork of the Stellar Python SDK with added support for the Soroban smart contract. We'll install the SDK from its source code on GitHub using this command. The installation is finished. Now we will verify the installation. To verify the installation, we will use this small Python script that imports the SDK and prints its version. As you can see, the SDK is installed and ready to use. Thanks for watching this tutorial on setting up the Soroban Python SDK on Windows. You now have everything you need to start building Soroban smart contracts using Python. Good luck and happy Sorobaning!